Hey everybody, and welcome back to the Tinkerpie Factory. Today we are continuing with our 37 sensor kit from Keyestudios, and we are looking at the Bluetooth module. Now I'm sure you're all really familiar with Bluetooth. It's in everything these days. Keyboards, mice, joysticks, coffee pots, refrigerators, you name it. But what you may not know is that Bluetooth has two different types. There's master and slave. And your car or your phone would be a master, where it's allowing other things to connect in. This particular kind, it's called an HC06, and it works as a slave only. So it can connect to other things, but other things can't connect to it. There is an HC05, looks almost identical, that allows connections both ways. So we're just going to do something really simple today. We're going to get this connected to the Arduino. Then we're going to open up an app on an Android device and make an LED light up. Okay, so let's hop over to the computer and figure out how to wire it up. So we're here on Tinkerpie, and I'm going to type in blue, click the picture, and here we have manufacturer specs. This is where the link to this tutorial will be, and we're at the wiki. We've got the specs, and here's the connection diagram. Okay, so let's go ahead and wire it up. I'm going to plug the red into the 4th pin, the gray into the 3rd, that's ground, and then blue next, purple. Okay, before I plug this in, I'm actually going to go over and get the code tested. I've found that there are problems if you try to connect in the module and then go into the serial monitor. They seem to conflict. You're going to want to grab this sample code here. Then I'm going to go ahead and remote into my Pi. So you want to open up your Arduino IDE, whether you're using it on the PC or Mac or Raspberry Pi like I am. I have my sketch already up. You'll want to open up a new one and paste the sketch into it. We have LED pin 13, which is the onboard LED, and we go into setup, and we're setting the serial monitor to 9600. Then the LED pin, we're setting it to out, and then we're going into a loop. We're reading from the serial port, which we're going to use the serial monitor first. But then later on, when we test this on an Arduino device, it's going to be an app that allows you to console in using a Bluetooth app. And then we're going to look for the value of A, and if it sees an A, it's going to write the LED pin high. In other words, it's going to turn it on for 1 second, turn it off for 1 second, and then write Tinkerpie. Okay, so let's go ahead and test it. We're going to make sure that we're connected. We're connected to the Arduino. Our serial port is correct, and then we're going to upload it. Okay, then we're going to go into our serial monitor, type in A, enter, and there's Tinkerpie. And then I'm going to watch the LED comes on for a second, then off. Okay, so we're up and running here. So the next thing we want to do is plug this in. So the red pin goes into 5 volts, the gray goes into ground, and then the blue, pin 0, purple, pin 1. Okay, so now I'm going to grab my tablet. So on my tablet, I'm going to go into settings, Bluetooth, and here's my HC06. The default password is 1234. Okay. Okay, so we're paired. Now we need an app. So I'm going to go into the Play Store, and I'm just going to search for Bluetooth terminal. There's a gazillion of them, so I'm just going to try this one. and then install. And the reason we need a terminal is because we need to type. There are Bluetooth apps that do various things, but we want to be able to terminal in and type that A. So here we have it open and connecting to HC06. It's connected. Okay, so I'm going to type my A, send, and there it is. Split it up, but TinkerPie. Okay, this time watch the LED, A, there it is. So we're controlling our Arduino using an app on the Android. So that's very simple, but we'll be doing some more advanced things and some fun projects down the road. So be sure to check back and please subscribe to my channel.